Hello everyone. So this is our first activity on atmospheric pressure.
And my name is Suji. Today we are here to show you a simple example of atmospheric pressure. We show that how atmospheric pressure can also can affect on liquids. आज हम एक सिंपल प्रैक्टिकल करने वाले हैं ये शो करने के लिए कि एक जो वाटर है उसमें कैसे एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर वर्क करता है. So here we have this plate and we are putting this on here and bring some water. There is some water and we are going to put the water in here.
So you are going to show what?
We are going to show that the level of water is going to rise up just because of the atmospheric pressure presenting on it.
So what is this atmospheric pressure?
Atmospheric pressure is the pressure which is exerting every single thing on the earth, human beings included, chair with 1 lakh Newton per meter square of pressure from equal side, each side.
Switch off this one.
Here we are. Applying the fire on it.
मत कर.
Switch off these fans.
Now the candle is now actually fired up. Now we are gonna put the beaker on it. जो burning candle है उसके ऊपर हम beaker रखेंगे. As you can see, the fire on it actually blows up. It's just because of the atmospheric pressure, and there are also some visible bubbles on it. It's just because of the atmospheric pressure as well.
Now this is our second activity on atmospheric pressure.
See an example which Isaac Christie showed us. Now we have another activity, but before this, what is atmospheric pressure? I will tell you in Hindi in detail. तो जो प्रेशर हमारे आसपास एटमॉस्फेयर में प्रेजेंट होता है, जो नेचुरली एक फोर्स लगाता है, एक प्रेशर बनाता है हमारी बॉडी पे या किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट पे, वो एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर होता है. जो एटमॉस्फेयर है वो हर जगह एयर से सराउंड करता है और हर जगह है, इसलिए एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर भी हर जगह है.
So atmospheric pressure क्या हमारे बॉडी पे भी लग रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
लग रहा है प्रेशर?
Put it on that beaker. Put it on that beaker.
इसको अंदर आपको डालना है. डालिए. नहीं डाल पा रहे?
As you can see, it does not go in the beaker.
आराम से. पहले चलिए.
Now as you can see, the balloon is going in the beaker because of atmospheric pressure.
Now this is our last activity on atmospheric pressure.
The last activity, which is performed by Aditya and Anshuman.
So before that, is there is any hole? यहाँ पे देखिए एक छोटा सा होल कर रखा है. ठीक है. अब इस होल के थ्रू क्या लगाओगे आप? सक करेंगे. सक करने से क्या होगा? बैलून
मिलेगा.
आगे एक्सप्लेन करो.
We have a balloon and bottle. Balloon is fitted inside the bottle and we have a hole here because she will suck the air inside bottle. Now, when we suck the air, the balloon will get blown just like this. Everyone see that when I was sucking that air, balloon was getting expanded, just like this.
Again. क्या बैलून का साइज इंक्रीज हो रहा है? कोई और कमेंट करो। फिर आपको बताना है क्या हुआ, क्यों ऐसे कर रहे हो, वहाँ क्यों हो रही है। सी रिमार्क।
हाथ हटा रुष्मा से।
हाँ बताओ। Clap everyone.
We can't blow a balloon without its one end. But here with science and atmospheric pressure, we make a hole here, and when we suck air from it, the atmospheric pressure present in the balloon makes the balloon blow without pulling air from its